What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. It is time, finally. So much wind, probably the mic is gonna pick it up. Let me try to get down here, under here. Finally, it's been time since I got the EK back. It's been gone for 4 months. It's been 4 months and some change. I finally have it here. I'm gonna do the paint job reveal. I was planning on making like this huge reveal, this nice video that will be coming up when it is back together, because some stuff did stay behind the body shop. The Type R lip stayed behind the shop, the wing stayed behind the shop, and the APR base plate, or ARP base plate, APR I believe, the mirrors, the little carbon fiber mirrors that I have, the base plate stayed behind the shop because the base plate is going to get painted silver also. The thin side moldings also stay behind, and the side skirts stay behind. So a lot of stuff did stay behind. The only thing I have here with me is the front bumper and the rear Type R lip. I was planning on putting everything back together and then doing a reveal for you guys, just so you guys can see the complete car. It's so dark, probably not gonna be able to see me, but it is here. It's finally here, so I am going to show it to you. I'm going to show you the process, not today in this video, but I will show you what's been happening with the car since I got it back. It is painted. It is a full paint job. You're going to see the color reveal right now. Obviously the car now at this point that it's painted, it's when you can tell that it needs wheels. It needs some good wheels, because right now it's on rotor slipstreams, and I am putting the spoon lug nut mirror, the spoon lug nuts on. I have like one tire on it, the other tire is, I'm working on it right now. But it is so hot. It is so hot in Florida. It's so hot in Miami that I'm actually waiting until, I don't know, 4 or 5 o'clock until the sun goes down a little bit, and then I can get on with it, because right now I can't get in that car. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna pass out. But I am gonna do the review for you guys. I'm gonna lift up the cover and show you guys what the color looks like, and I'll show you guys what I've done to the interior. Since the interior is getting put back together, the Type R carpet is already on. I was gonna say like a disclaimer, but if anyone has a driver's side S2000 seat that is in black and they just have one South Florida area and you're trying to get rid of it, please hit me up. I have a passenger side that's black. I picked it up for like 60 bucks on Craigslist, and I decided to put it on because obviously it's gonna look better than whatever it is. But the driver's side I don't have, and it's beat up, it's broken. So if you have a driver's side S2000 seat that is in black, I might as well give it a shot and ask you guys on the video. If you guys have it and you're looking to sell it, hit me up on the DM on Instagram. The link is below for my Instagram. If you're not following me, make sure you're following me to catch up on the videos and stuff like that. So if you do have it, driver's side black S2000 seat, please hit me up. I have a passenger black one, which is right here. Obviously gonna put that back on soon, but I am putting the car back together, waiting for the parts to come in to finally put the whole car back together, and then I'll do a full review of the car being put back together, or obviously everything on together, full body paint job looking real nice. So let's get on with it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cover and show you guys the paint job. Right, as you guys can see, I decided to stay with the same color, with the silver color that originally comes in the car, the OEM color, because I am gonna do kind of like a Type R look-alike, kind of like an EK9 look-alike. I obviously have the front lip, the rear lip, and the wing, the thin side moldings, but there's gonna be a little bit of change of everything. I'm not doing a complete EK9 look-alike, but it is gonna be around that area. I still gotta get the headlights, but this is the paint job, man. This is the full body paint job, looking amazing. I gotta say, I gotta put back the side skirt, the side marker. Like I said, some of, you know, like the thin side molding stay behind. The base plate that goes here stay behind to get it painted. Door handles are painted. Everything looks very good. I obviously have to still get my moldings. They're all trashed. I gotta get this top molding, which are completely worn out. There was a rust hole here that kind of like my finger would go in, like my pinky would go in. They took care of that. Looks amazing. As you guys can see, I'm putting the lug nuts back on, and the side skirts obviously stay back, so I got to clean all that stuff. And then now I just keep working on the car. It does need a wash because it is dirty from the paint shop. I'll show you guys the back, the wing, I mean not the wing, bumper, everything looks really good. They forgot to paint this. I obviously got to take this back and have them paint that silver. And this is how it looks. I believe it came out really good. I'm really happy with it. I'm putting everything back on. Side skirt's on there. Everything came out really good, roof and everything. Still got to get this one obviously, and the moldings for here. It's completely gutted for now in the back. I'm putting everything little by little, but it's extremely hot. I'm not gonna work on this car with this heat. My camera will probably overheat. And this is where we at right now. Move back the seat and I'll show you guys. So this is the carpet that I got from the buddy EK Supreme, EK Cream Supreme, over on Instagram, good follower. Got the radio tucked in there. As you guys can see, what I was talking about, the driver's seat is all torn up. Eventually I'll probably get some Recaros, and I still got to get door panels because these door panels are gone. It's obviously all a process as I'm building the car. Got your EK9 cluster there, carpet looking good. Just got to finish putting everything back on and we should be good to go. I'm so excited to get this car back, man. I haven't driven this car in over 4 months and it's been driving me insane. This paint job took over 4 months, which is pretty insane for a paint job, but I finally got it back. Really can't complain. It looks very good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some water on it now. I'll probably tape a little bit of take the holes and tape that back on, because I still have to, you know, I have to cover it so water doesn't get in. As you guys can see, the headlights are trash. Those gotta go big time. But you can see this is a new hood because the old hood was all banged up. This is a complete new hood, and yeah, looks very good, man. I really like the way it came out. The reason I decided to stay with this color is because, one, because I don't want to do a complete color change, because I don't want to replicate the EK9 white color, like the championship white. I don't want to replicate that, because then it's not really an EK9. And even though people did tell me, yo, why didn't you go with that championship white, I was like, man, everyone and their mothers that's doing an EK9 lookalike does a championship color. I decided to do this color, and this color does come in the EK9 Type R. It is not as common as the white one and the other ones, but it does come in silver. You guys can look it up if you like. I believe it is still the same color code, but once it's complete, everything is back on, as you can see here, I got the bumper here and I got the rear lip in the back. It's a 96, 98 front bumper, obviously, because I decided to keep that that front end. I wasn't gonna do 99 2000. I already did a 99 2000. I don't like it as much. I think this front end has grown better on me. I like it way better. But anyway, this is where we at right now. I'm gonna put the cover back on and wait till like 4 or 5 to continue working on it. Maybe throw some water on it and get some of the dust out. And yeah, that's about it. I will continue to be working on the car, putting everything back on. There will be another video, maybe giving it a wash so you guys can see it completely like washed up and looking very nice with all the dust removed and looking very nice. And then hopefully I can bring you guys another video when it's completely everything on, and we'll do something nice with some nice B-rolls and some nice slow motion. Appreciate you guys for tuning in and subscribing. This is a short video. It was just to do a quick paint job reveal to you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys on the next one.